Good morning everyone from Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky. It's Davey at GoSun. I'm working from home today because as you can see what's going on outside. However, today I am going to make for you some Super Bowl 2018 solo cooked chicken wings, which is really easy. And as I showed you, it's snowing. So here's some chicken wings. I diced these up to separate the wings from the drumsticks so I get even more. And here are our solo cooking trays. This is for the sport. Set that up outside. I've got a few spices here, some powdered ginger, some grated zest of lemon, a few pepper flakes, some salt and pepper, some honey, and some garlic olive oil. And we're going to throw those together, make some delicious wings. Might put some wet sauce on it later, who knows. So we've set up the solar cooker outside. I'll show you what's going on out there if the cat gets out of the way. Yeeks. Really bright, beautiful day. This is how the garden looks, and there's our sport. The sun's pretty low in the sky. As you can see, I also have a smoker and a grill. And so this is my complement to my outdoor kitchen cooking equipment. And yeah, with a bit of luck today, within an hour, I'll have some chicken wings, practice a recipe, share that with you. All right, so let's, for our solo cooked wings, put some garlic olive oil in a bowl, just to coat the wings. We have our wings over here, just pop those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh that's odd, 15. Cats come to join us at the window. All right, I'm gonna start with the, let's see, we're gonna start with the ginger. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the ground ginger in there. Salt and pepper, probably not going to use all of this. Okay, and some chili flakes. Whoop, it's going to be spicy. And then some lemon zest. I always like to use citrus in my cooking. Gives it a nice little fresh lift. Going to give those a good coating. Ideally, you know, if you really want to spend time, do this a day ahead as a marinade, you know. Flavors penetrate a little bit more, but I'm just doing this on the fly. There we go, we're back. Just squirt some honey on there. So I don't know what this dish is really. I didn't call it Asian or anything in particular. It's just a couple of spices and flavors I just thought I would just throw together as an alternative. You could still put some buffalo, eat this with some ranch and blue cheese and celery. Delicious. All right, that's it. Now, easy peasy. Put it in the solo cooker tray, the sport. So you got 1, 2, 3, probably gonna spread these out a bit, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 7 wings in there, and if I remember correctly, there was 15 earlier on. So I'm gonna put the other 7 or 8 in here. Here we go. Hopefully you're not too dizzy from my awful videoing. Do have a little bit of marinade left, so if it'll run out of the container, maybe it will, maybe it won't, we can still use some of that, like that. Okay. All right, now let's get these simply into our sports solo cooker outside. I will see you there in a moment. So we're gonna put our Super Bowl 2018 solo cooked chicken wings, get these going inside the GoSun Sport here. A beautiful, fast little solar cooker that needs no fuel, of course, stating the obvious. And this is gonna take, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. I can just chill and forget about it because it's going to be baking in here just like it bakes in the oven. Once the reflectors are just popped out like this and directed towards the sun, I can just go and do something else for a while. I will come back and chat with you later, just so we know where we're at. It is early in the morning, 10:15, as I said, in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky. This is the weather, and this is what you can do with solo cooking. Pretty excited. It's only 20 minutes in to making our wings outside in the snow, and dogs next door are going bonkers. I was just curious to see what's going on. You can actually see, if I lift out the tray here, the steam already. And the chicken, it smells delicious. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's spectacular. It's probably steaming up the camera here. I'm going to put those back, but I have a little gadget here which is interesting. It's oh, just to prove on the time, here's my clock. Okay, we put it in at 10:15, 10:35, and just for temperature comparison, we have one of our little surface thermometers, and if I hit the outside of the tube, which always remains cool, you can see it's really low. I'm going to clean the lens a minute. Okay, it shows about 27 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're freezing. Actually, it's lower, it's about 18. And inside the tube, we're looking temperatures of, well, I just let all the heat out, but we've got 200 plus on the clock. I'm pretty sure with steam in there, it was up to about 500 degrees, because that's what we need here to see the steam and get the cooking going. And that 200 is because I just live on camera let all that heat out. So leave it closed to maximize the heat. Okay, Davey again, just checking on the wing situation. It's coming up for almost 45 minutes, so just 40 minutes, and you can see the steam with the backdrop of the snow just tanking out of this thing. It's just incredible the temperature this gets up to. I'm going to check on that in a moment and back with you. 45 minutes later, we put them in at 10:15. It's now just past 11, a minute past. We've got some steam action going on here, so I know things are cooking up a storm inside. It smells delicious, especially in the outdoors. Got a little bit of ranch and blue cheese. Actually, it's ranch and buffalo sauce set up on the side here. I've got my jacket on because it's freezing. Let's see what we have. Oh my word. Can you even hear the sizzle? So it's just like baking at home. It's really, really easy. I'm going to just test that one of these is done to my liking here. You always want to make sure things are cooked through thoroughly. And again, this cooks like your oven at home. So we just want to make sure that this is done through. And if it falls off the bone, or if it's nice and tender with clear juices, it's done. I'm just searching around for my fork. Okay. Yeah, that's really soft and tender inside. I'm probably going to take a sample. It's going to be really hot, but I'm starving. So ouch, ouch, ouch. Chicken's even started to peel away from the bone here. I might go in with a tiny little bit of the buffalo sauce. Here goes. Oh my word, look at that. Full off the bone. Absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. You see these things on TV and they go, oh my gosh. But I'll tell you what, oh my gosh. And that was so easy. I was busy working inside on my emails and other things. This thing is still steaming away. So I'm gonna plate up the rest and get back to you. Hi everybody, well I'm back inside. It's absolutely freezing, but a beautiful day. Incredible to think you can actually cook outside in -degrees, in the snow, solo cooking, such delicious, fall off the bone food. Really, really easy. I was inside doing other things. Again, solo cooking is just so cool. It's fun, it's quick, it's easy, and it's just like your oven at home. You can go and do other things, and there we go. You know, you can also use it to make desserts and other brilliant things. But for Super Bowl, here are our Super Bowl wings. It's not Super Bowl quite yet. I'm actually into rugby because I'm from Wales, even though I live in the States, and I'm going to enjoy these wings probably right now. And I'm going to be making other food for my friends who are coming over tomorrow for a party to watch the rugby. But have a great Super Bowl 2018. And just remember, solo cooking with GoSun was never so easy, never so fun, and never so delicious. I'm Davey. Cheers. Have a brilliant weekend. So we're back again with Davey and GoSun. These are the wings that I didn't pull out. I was just inside having a desperately needed snack. I'm gonna get these guys out. Oh my gosh. at that. This is just solo cooking. Hang on, I'm probably going to be too late here, but I'm very curious to see what temperature is going on inside. Oh yeah, 437 degrees. And I'm sure when I opened it, before I opened it, it was a lot higher, probably up to 500 plus. Now we've got our next batch of chicken. You saw me prepare those earlier. So I'm going to slot these in. Make sure you don't use a cold tray because of thermal shock. And these guys probably ready in about the similar time, 45 minutes or so. Got a bit of a mess here as well, not too bad, but you can use foil instead of using the cleaning up the tray. I don't mind the cleaning up, but you know, whatever. Wow, this thing really blows you away. Cheers, have a great Super Bowl.